I've done many beautiful nail sets with inexpensive regular nail polishes, like these for example, from Dollar Tree or Walmart. After investing in a few stamping plates and some other nail arts, I started making many sets that I enjoy wearing. This is from my nail wardrobe before YouTube, and I think they're so cute and playful. For today's bougie nails on a budget, I thought it'd be fun to recreate them, and so glad I happened to have gel polishes that came to a close match. So stay tuned and check it out. Here's a quick matchup of what I used for the new set. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And hello if you're new. I hope you enjoyed today's bougie nails on a budget because you came right on time to see how I recreated this set of press-on nails that I originally did in regular polish. And I had so much fun doing this remake as I tried to exaggerate the design a little more. So I started with this blue matchup, and it's so intense and gorgeous. It comes out of the Model 1's Neon Color series and has a jelly appearance, doesn't it? But it'll get a little darker with the second layer. So I cure each layer of polish for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. And this pastel teal is in a gel polish. So you saw it in that gel pot. It's one of those gel creams I talked about before, Canni gel cream by Venalisa, and they were all the rave at that time back when. I would be willing to bet many of us still have ours. This is also cured for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp with 2 coats. The next 2 colors are by Madam Glam, which, by the way, everything I use will be in the description box. This is an ombre brush. When doing an ombre, be sure to avoid letting the polish build up in the brush, especially at the feathered tip of it. You should wipe the brush frequently, and your ombre will be easier to do and come out flawlessly. Everything is finished in 2 coats. I'll use this stamping plate by Born Pretty, the same design as the original nail set. So I decided to use the Canni gel color to see if it might stamp well. Oh, and I'm curious, which do you do when you stamp? Do you press or do you roll your stamper? I tend to roll. I clean any excess part of the pattern I don't want. For this, you can use a lint roller, scotch tape, or even the scraping card. And also when placing the stamp, I tried this for the first time, to press the nail into the stamper. And it actually turned out perfect. I know it's not extremely visible, but the original was only a hint of the print too. While cleaning the stamping plate, I got this bright idea to try stamping with the Madam Glam polishes, so let's see how it does. Now this also came out faint, but it's there, and it actually looks pretty. I like it. And if you like this and enjoying it so far, how about hitting the like button? And you should also consider subscribing because I do acrylic on Thursdays and have another amazing set this week, and you don't want to miss out. This was pretty much freestyle, and since I haven't been adorning the thumb, I decided to add a little something to tie it in with the rest of the nails. And as much as these nails look cute enough as is, I ended up doing some rhinestones off camera. Oh, and the ones that I'm wearing are actually cut down from an XXXL set that I recorded, and it's waiting for editing. So wait till you see those too. Now you know we get our toes done when you have a Bougie Nails on a Budget appointment. If you're new, I only show doing one layer and the second layer off camera. Gosh, I did a lot in this video because here I also decided to spice up more toes with the design, and you'll really be able to see the stamp in the reveal pic. I really do hope that you enjoyed this, and if you do, come back for more. And also, again, consider subscribing to the channel or hit the like button if you enjoyed this set. I appreciate you spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.